Hi there, Manuel here. So, can you make money trading Forex? Well, for me, the simple answer to that is yes, you can. Because I actually work with people that do that. They're full-time traders, And in a second, if you wait a second, I'll actually give you access to two things. I'll give you access to my 10-part free video course that will show you everything you need to know, the pitfalls that you should avoid with Forex trading. And also I'll give you access to these people I'm talking about who are 5, 6, 7-figure traders. They'll show you their strategies, and you can also ask questions, and you get that completely for free for the week. But I'll tell you more about that in a second. So the question I get a lot is that question, can I make money trading Forex? And also, if you're making so much money trading Forex, why don't you take your money and go and live in an island somewhere? Why are you doing this? Why are people on YouTube trying to sell other people on their courses or on joining their groups or whatever? Now, that's a fair question, because there are some people on YouTube, etc., and these other channels that are trying to sell you on a course and stuff like that. Do you know what I mean? And it's fair to think that maybe they're not making any money from trading. They're actually just making money from the courses that they're selling, which is fair. Do you know what I mean? It's very, very fair question. But the thing is, when you trade and you actually get to a point where you know what you're doing, it can be quite a lonely world. And once your mindset is different, you actually realize that you get so much more pleasure from helping others reach their goals as well as you reaching your own. Do you know? So that's the reason I personally do it. I don't know about anyone else. And are there sites out there that aren't ethical? Of course there are. Do you know what I mean? That's why I actually give people a free trial, have a look for free what I do, and then you can decide whether it's for you or not. But let's get back to the main subject. Can you make money trading the Forex? Can you make any money? Now, the people that come into Forex, there's something about Forex, the world of Forex, that people come into it with very, very unrealistic expectations. They come in almost with a lottery mentality. Yeah, they see this thing, they watch videos and they see people like, on Lamborghinis and yachts, and they're all telling you that they got that through trading. And then they tell you how simple it is and how you can follow the very, very simple rules. And there's a great strategy out there and all this sort of stuff. And so you think it can't be that hard. You just you press buy or you press sell. There's only two options. How hard can this be? And this guru is going to show me exactly what I need to do. So then if that's the case, why do then 97% of people actually don't make any money? Most fail. Well, it is because of those unrealistic expectations. It is because the mindset is talking about lottery wins and stuff like that, and making money in 2 weeks and things like that. They don't give the Forex market the respect it deserves. Imagine this is potentially a 6, 7-figure skill that can change your life around. So it's like a business. You got to give it that respect. Imagine you wanted to be a doctor. You would know, if you wanted to be a doctor, you would know I have to dedicate 7 years of my life to this. I have to dedicate 7 years of my life. I have to have the money to train, to pay the university fees. I have to try and train with the best doctors out there that can teach me, the best mentors that can teach me this craft. And I have to focus. I have to put my head in the books. I have to, do the things I need to do to get there. Look at the difference here. I looked at this chart here. This is what a consultant, say a plastic surgeon, the top tier of this, they have to be willing to pay $500,000 and over 7 years of their life to get this skill. And they still think, yes, that's a good exchange, because I know after the 7 years, the sort of money I can be making. The Forex market is the same. You have to say to yourself, I'm prepared to give a certain amount of time. Say I said to you, give me 2 years of your life and pay a fraction of that. Let's just say pay $3,000 over the 2 years. And now you have the skill to pull out money from the market consistently. You're now a 6-figure trader yourself. But most would be like, no, that's not what I want. I want to go and learn from this guy who said I'm going to be a millionaire in 2 weeks. And then when it doesn't happen, so then what do they do then? It's not working out for them because the system that they've been told or whatever is no good. then what do? They blame the guru. The guru must have, or the indicator, or whatever, or the time of the day, or the telegram caller. The signal service is not great, and they don't really learn Forex the way it should be learned. The Forex market, you need 3 things to be successful. You need 4 things to be successful in the Forex market. Do you know? The first thing is you need the right mentorship. You need the people that are doing this themselves. That's the first thing you need. There's no point. It's like me say I want to be a plumber, and then I go to a golfer and ask them to teach me. You need to have people that are qualified. And how do you know if people are qualified and they're making money? They help others make money. That's how you know. And there's people in our group, to show you that this point is true. There's people in our group, right, that gave this the respect it deserved, and they were working full-time jobs. So there's one guy, I'll show you the testimonial actually. He was a truck driver, working 14 hours a day. 7 days a week. And now, after a year of learning correctly, he's now managed to retire. Here's the testimonial. I'm a witness by my own experience that this is all 100% real. You don't have to sell anything or promote to anyone. All I do is trade and learn. In fact, most of us are in that category. I was an over-the-road truck driver working up to 14 hours a day, 7 days a week. After about a year, I retired. And then there's another guy in the group who was an Uber driver. And you know how grueling Uber driving is, yeah? He was an Uber driver. And last week, he gave a testimonial saying that in 1 week, from trading, he earned the same amount he used to earn from a year of driving the Uber. A year's worth of earnings in a week, because he took the time to learn the Forex properly from mentors, from people that are doing it and showing others how to do it. So the first thing is you need to get a great mentor. You need to get people that are already earning money in this and they can show you what they're doing. The second thing is, well, there's 3 things actually put together if you want to be successful. You need to have a trading strategy. And believe it or not, the trading strategy only makes up 10% of the actual winners, people that are making money. It's only but everybody puts the onus on the strategy. Whatever your strategy is, it might be, okay, it's bouncing off a trend line or support and resistance. And they'll just look at the strategy. That's all people will do. And then when the strategy doesn't work, then they're off to the next guru to learn a new strategy because they think the secret is the new strategy. But it's not. It's a combination of things. In fact, it's only 10% is the strategy. Then after the strategy, then you need a plan. You need, how much do I risk on every trade? What time do I trade? What sessions do I trade? You need to put a plan together. It's like a business plan. Treat this like a business. It needs that respect. If you really want to make money from this, you need to treat this with the respect it deserves. So you need a plan, and we help you put a plan together as well. And that's 30% of the equation. But the biggest part of the equation is the mindset. It's what's between your ears. Because what do you do when you lose a trade? Do you lose a couple of trades and then next thing you're looking for someone to blame? Is it the gurus or whatever? Emotionally, you're not there. You don't take time to learn and sit down and discover what's going on with you. Do you know what I mean? This is the biggest part. And we teach all of those things, because once you get the mindset, once you get these 3 pillars, now you're a successful trader. You get a strategy. Yes, you need a strategy. You need a strategy, whatever it is. Then you need your trading plan, how much you're going to risk, all that sort of stuff. But then you need to work on your mindset. You need to know that this is a long-term game. You do this over, it's a probability game. Do you know that's the difference between those that actually do make money and those that don't. So the question, can you make money from Forex trading? Yes, you can. But if you put those 3 things in place and you learn from a professional, someone that's already doing what you want, that's how you get successful. And then that's how you start becoming like this sort of guy who retires in a year because he's given it the time and the respect that Forex deserves. Anyway, listen, I hope you got some value from this. Like I was saying, I'm going to give you access to my 10-part video course, which all you need to do to get that is just click on that link below. If you want to come and join us, when you click on that link, you'll also get access to the group I'm talking about that has 5, 6, 7-figure earners that get on and teach you for free for a week, because we want you to come and see if this is of value to you or not. If it's not, then you shouldn't even be doing it. Do you know? That's the difference. We open the doors to you and show you exactly what we do. You can ask questions. You can see the strategy that we trade. You can even get trade ideas and all that within a week completely for free. No credit card, nothing at all. All you need to do, if you're interested in that, once you click that link, you've opted in, you'll also get details on how to join that group. And it starts Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it goes all the way through the week. All right. So again, I hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it. Anyone you think might get some value from it as well. Also, I'd like to hear from you. I'd like to hear, are you actually making money from trading, doing whatever you're doing? I'd be really interested to know. Or if you have any other questions, any other comments at all, please don't hesitate. Just leave it in the comments box below. And if you are getting value from these videos, then please just consider hitting the subscribe button and ticking on the bell icon. All right, then. Have a great day. Till next time, you take care. And I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.